Hi guys, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. I am Ishanya and today's DIY is about a floral wreath that I made out of artificial flowers, leaves and something as basic as an embroidery frame that everybody has lying around at their homes. Now this DIY is perfect to add just the right amount of pop of nature to your bedrooms, drawing rooms, living rooms, office spaces or even your gardens and your balconies. And since Diwali is also around the corner, you can use this DIY to revamp your old spaces as well. Now if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, bell button, comment down below about how you like this video and don't forget to share your recreations with me on social media. And without further delay, let's just hop into the video.
So here's a glimpse of what we'll be making today. These wreaths are absolutely perfect for your gardens, your balconies, and they're super easy to make and add so much more life to your surroundings. So let's dive into the tutorial. Here's my super basic embroidery frame that I'll be using for this project. I've chosen a wooden frame for the raw aesthetic that it'll provide, but you can choose any, needless to say. Separate the two and grab a fabric net like this and wrap it around the inner frame, fixing it over with the outer one and screw the top tightly so it doesn't move. Tug at the end so it's nice and tight, and this is what you'll have. With a pair of scissors, trim the excess, leaving a little fabric hanging out like so. With a hot glue gun or regular fabric glue, we shall glue the excess fabric onto the frame so it doesn't budge with time. Now for the fun part, I have some artificial flowers that I had lying around. You can see they look very real, so I'd suggest you get ones which don't have a very fake appeal to them. Rotate the frame around so the screw is at the bottom and we can conceal it with the flowers. Lay them around in any fashion you like and finally stick them in place. Here's what the final result looks like, and I feel the white fabric does such a good job and makes the wreath look so cohesive, such an intricate and beautiful piece. For the next one, separate the frames again, but this time vertically fix them together. Screw it together really tightly. You want this one to be very, very secure, and this is what it should look like. Like the previous one, we rotate this one again and place the flowers at the screw to hide it and use craft wires along with glue to secure them in place. Here's a demo of how to go about it. Now we need the joints to be 100% secure, so I'll tie the joints together with a jute rope at the top here and at the bottom very tightly. Also, the bottom can be messy while you're wiring the flowers together since we want this to be sturdy. And here's how I have tied the top together. And in about 30 minutes, we've created this beautiful decor piece that you can use near your windows, balconies, so many places, and it's sure to elevate your aesthetics effortlessly. Here's a final take of both the wreaths, and I honestly can't decide which one's my favorite. They're so aesthetic, so beautiful, I can't get enough of them. Do tell me in the comments which one is your favorite.
So that was it for this video guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, bell button. Drop your comments in case you have any video requests, share your recreations with me on social media, and I'm going to see you in the next video now. Bye!